This is the second video, and this one models a 9-inch pizza and an 18-inch pizza. And we'd use this model if students said, well, I think there's two pizzas, because remember we're going to have two slices from a 9-inch and then one from an 18-inch, and which is more pizza. So if we wanted to do it that way, we'd probably use a different tool where you get to go and type in exactly what radius that you want. So if we click it again, you notice that the radius length comes up. So for the first one, we put in a 4.5 for a 9-inch pizza, and this one we put in 9 for an 18-inch pizza. Now what we need to do is create the sectors. And in this case, let's say the student said, well, we usually cut our pizzas into 8 slices. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to first of all create the sectors for 8 sectors evenly spaced around on the circle. So the first thing we do is we quarter the pizza. And for doing that, we go and select the y radius and then the circle to get the points, and the x radius and the circle to get the points for both circles. So that way that we know that Geogebra is putting those points exactly where those axes and the circles intersect. Now to go and to get the diagonal lines, we're going to need to create a chord across here. So we get the segment tool, and we create 2 chords across there, and then we perpendicularly bisect those chords, and that will go and bisect the coordinates in there to make the 45-degree angles from the 90. And then we can go and hide those chords because we don't want them to see them by clicking the circle for each of those line segments, and then they go away. Now we've made our both pizzas, the 9-inch and the 18-inch, both the circles, and we've divided them equally into 8ths. Now we can go and choose the sector tool to go and choose the sectors that we need to model our situation. So first of all, we're going to go and have 1/8 of the 9-inch pizza, and then what we need to do is to get 1/4 of the 9-inch pizza, which would be 2 of those sectors. And so we create those 2, and then that models the first situation of what you want. 2 pieces from the 9-inch pizza, and so we go and get those areas. So 1/8 of the 9-inch is a little under 8. And then 2 slices would be a little under 16. So we can see that it's doubling. Now we need to go and find the area for the sector of the 1/8 of the 18-inch pizza. So we go and we do that. And then we find the area of that. And we see that it's going to be 4 times what the 1 slice of the 9-inch pizza was. So now we've modeled that situation, and all the information is right on one picture, one view of it all at once.